You know, I don't normally get excited for cleaning tech, but this thing gets me excited. It is a vacuuming robot with an extendable arm. So I guess the bot can sense when something like a big piece of trash or a shoe is in the way. Then it'll bring its little arm out to pick up the object and either move it or even do you a solid and throw it in the trash. So yeah, this thing will now clean your floors and pick up your trash. So I've already bought one of these vacuuming robots and I ended up returning it almost right away after realizing its limitations. But to be honest, after seeing this, I'm tempted. So the company that made this just debuted it at CES, so it's actually not currently available, but it is expected to be released sometime in 2025. They also didn't mention a price on this thing, and I guarantee it's going to be very expensive. But at the same time, you got to admit the tech is pretty cool here.